Vice President and Presidential Advisor on OFW concerns Jejomar Binay also assures a fair investigation into the sexual abuse charges against certain embassy officials. So far, 2 alleged victims have surfaced to prove their complaints. This report.
Vice President Jejomar Binay expresses confidence with the investigation of the Department of Foreign Affairs with regards to the sex flight or sex for repatriation issue in relation to the cases filed by 2 OFWs in Middle East against OIC Labor Attaché Mario Antonio in Amman, Jordan, and 2 more DFA officials in Kuwait and Syria. This after the 2 complainants, one identified as Michelle and the other one unidentified, appeared before their lawyers.
Natutuwa po kami. Maraming salamat at sila ho nagkaroon ng lakas na loob na lumitaw at talagang titistigo dun sa kanilang naranasan. Napakalungkot. Kahit na sa party rin kasi on the part of the Filipina, alam mo yung mga crimes against justice, mabigat-bigat din yun eh.
OWA Administrator Carmelita Dimson personally went to the Coconut Palace to inform the Vice President of the 2 complainants of the abuse of Filipino OFWs from the Middle East. According to Vice President Binay, this will be a great opportunity to defend himself in the investigation. Labor Attaché Antonio is a veteran government employee.
Kung meron po sa inyong napagsamantalahan, pagtulong-tulungan po natin. Lalo na baka ho itong mga isinumbong hindi doon sa nagsamantala sa inyo. So, para ho tayo makagawa ng halimbawa, lumitaw po kayo at amin pong aksyonan.
OWA Administrator Dimson denied reports that she sided with the accused labor officer.
Never kong sinabi na walang kasalanan si Mario. Kasi mukhang may lumabas sa pahayagan, isang pahayagan na I am vouching for him. Wala ko sinabing gano'n, no? Kaya kailangan i-correct din natin yon kasi ayaw kong naman magalit sa akin yung iba na bakit ko pinagtatanggol, bakit ko sinasabing walang kasalanan, ini-investigate pa naman si Mario, no?
If proved wrong, VP Binay said they will face the appropriate administrative and criminal charges filed against them.
Alam mo yung sa takot ba? Ang dapat matakot yung bang pagka hindi ito ginampalan na dapat parusahan, hindi dapat may parusa. Natakot tayo dahil sa walang tigil yan. Hindi matatakot yung gagawa pa sa kinabukasan.
Full cooperation, and I instructed the officer involved na submit himself to full investigation para siya ay kung walang kasalanan, then mawawalang sala, pero kung may kasalanan, he has to face the consequences.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfect.